Mastering capitalization, names of companies and businesses. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into an important area of English grammar, capitalization. Specifically, we will focus on the capitalization of names of companies and businesses, which falls under the broader category of capitalizing proper nouns. Understanding this is vital as it not only enhances your written communication but also shows respect towards these entities. When it comes to English grammar, one thing is quite straightforward. We always capitalize proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names given to individuals, places, organizations, and yes, companies and businesses. For instance, let's look at the sentence, I bought a new laptop from Apple. Here, Apple is the name of a specific business and thus, we capitalize it. While the basic rule is quite simple, there are a few exceptions and common mistakes that you need to be aware of. The first one is related to trademark styles. Some companies intentionally use unconventional capitalization as part of their branding. Examples include iPhone, eBay, and McDonald's. In these cases, you should use the capitalization style preferred by the company. Secondly, when the business name is a common noun and used in a generic way, we do not capitalize it. For instance, in the sentence, I need to go to the bank, the word bank is not capitalized because it refers to any bank, not a specific one. However, if we say, I need to go to Bank of America, we capitalize it because we're referring to a specific bank. For business names that consist of multiple words, each significant word in the name should be capitalized. For example, I booked my flight tickets from British Airways. Here, both British and Airways are capitalized. However, smaller words such as a, and, the, of, in, on, at, etc., known as articles, prepositions, and conjunctions, are usually not capitalized unless they are the first word in the name. For example, I went shopping at Marks & Spencer, not Marks & Spencer. That's all for today's lesson, folks. I hope this video clarified the rules about capitalizing names of companies and businesses. Remember, good grammar is a sign of respect in communication, so keep practicing and stay mindful of these rules. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.